Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to add Grammarly add-on to Microsoft Outlook mail. So to add Grammarly add-on to your Outlook application, firstly open any web browser, then type Grammarly and click on login. If you don't have already account, so create your account using your Facebook, Gmail or Apple ID. It's free and premium. Now click on My Grammarly. Once you successfully sign in, so click on My Grammarly, then click on Apps. Now friends, here you will find option Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Just you need to click on Install and double click on this Grammarly icon. Now click on Get Started. Select friends Grammarly for Outlook. And if you want to use this add-on to on Microsoft Word, so select this box also, then click on Install. Now click on Finish. To launch Grammarly, open Microsoft Word or Outlook. If either application is already open, restart it to activate Grammarly. So open Microsoft Outlook. Now here you will see this add-on in Outlook. Click on this G icon and it will ask sign in process. So sign in with your Gmail, Facebook or Apple ID. So hopefully friends, you like this video. By this simple video we can learn how to add Grammarly add-on to Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.